Before you click the Publish button in Meta Ads Manager, it's very important to review a few critical settings. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete Meta Ads checklist to make sure your campaign is properly set up, optimized, and ready to perform. This checklist will help you avoid common mistakes, reduce ad rejections, and improve results. Number 1. Campaign Objective Check. First, check your campaign objective. Ask yourself, does this objective match my real goal? Am I running sales for purchases, leads for form fills or calls, engagement or video views for awareness? Choosing the wrong objective can waste your budget, even if everything else is correct. Number 2. Campaign Name and Structure. Make sure your campaign, ad set, and ad names are clear. A good naming structure includes objective, audience, location, date. This helps you analyze performance later and scale winning campaigns faster. Number 3. Budget and Schedule Review. Check your budget carefully. Is it set at the right level, campaign or ad set? Is the daily or lifetime budget realistic? Review the start and end dates. Avoid accidental unlimited spending. Make sure ads don't stop too early. Number 4. Conversion Location and Event. If you're running sales or lead campaigns, confirm conversion location is correct. Website, calls, forms, or messages. The right conversion event is selected. For website conversions, make sure the pixel or dataset is connected. Ensure the event is active in firing correctly. Number 5. Pixel and Tracking Setup. Check tracking settings. Pixel selected correctly, website events enabled if required, no tracking conflicts or missing events. For non-website campaigns like Call Now or video views, remember, Pixel is not mandatory. Tracking can still be added for future retargeting. Number 6. Audience Targeting Review. Review your audience settings, location accuracy, city, radius, country, age and gender alignment with your product or service. Number 7. Primary text, headline, and CTA. Check your copy. Primary text is short and clear. Headline matches the offer. Call to action button is appropriate. Avoid over-promising results, policy-violating claims, excessive emojis, or all caps. Number 8. Destination and user experience. Click your destination link. Website loads fast, mobile-friendly, form works correctly, no broken pages or errors. A good ad with a bad landing page will never convert. Once you're confident, click Publish. This Meta Ads checklist before publishing will help you run cleaner, more profitable, and more scalable campaigns. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more tutorials on Meta Ads, Google Ads, Shopify, and digital marketing growth.